Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winn and you got tuned into Cooking with Winn. Into this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make shrimp Alfredo. So for my shrimp Alfredo today, I'll be using my legume spaghetti. This looks similar to the fettuccine spaghetti, but if you don't have the legume, you can go ahead and use the fettuccine spaghetti, this spaghetti, or you can use the penne pasta. Whichever one you have at home, go ahead and use it, but usually this is the kind of spaghetti you want to get to make your Alfredo. But if you don't have that, you can use whichever one you have. So I have my legume spaghetti, my uncooked shrimp, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and my store-bought Alfredo sauce. So these are the ingredients I'll be using to make my shrimp Alfredo today. If you want to learn how to make this meal, stay tuned and keep watching. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put your pasta water on the stove and then add salt to the water. So I have my pasta water on and I'll just add a little bit of salt. I'll be adding this much salt to the water. You just want to sprinkle it in. Wait for your water to boil. Once your water starts to boil, you add in your pasta. The next thing I'll do is get my shrimp ready. Just go ahead and rinse it off because mine still have ice on it, so I'll just rinse it with cold water just to melt the ice, and then we're gonna dry it with paper towel. I have the shrimp all washed up. I'm just gonna use the paper towel to dry it. So you wanna make sure your shrimp is completely dry. I'll add my shrimp to the paper towel here. You just wanna pat it dry. Once your shrimp is pat dry, transfer it back to the pan and you can season it. So I'll be adding some black pepper. Just a little bit. I'll be adding a little bit of onion powder and a little bit of garlic powder, just a little, with some salt, like this much. So once you have your seasoning, just mix them in. Use a clean hand, by the way, or you can use a spoon to do this part. And once you have your shrimp all seasoned, we're gonna be moving to the stove to get our pan ready so we can make our shrimp. The spaghetti water is ready. I also forgot to mention, when you add the water to the pot and the salt, you also need to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. The reason why you're adding the oil to the water is so that your spaghetti or your noodles don't stick together. So you just add a little bit of oil. Now just drop this in the water like this. You can break the noodles or the spaghetti into half like this and add it into the water, or you can leave it alone and add it into the water. So we're just gonna give this time to cook. While it's cooking, I'm gonna get my shrimp ready. I'll be adding a little bit of oil into the pot. So this much oil is okay. I'll spread into the pan and add my shrimp. I'm gonna mix it one more time. You just want to cook this on each side for like 2 minutes. So you can turn this around and let the other side cook. Do not forget to check on your noodles or your spaghetti in the pot. You don't want it to overcook. So now I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes while I check on my spaghetti. You want your spaghetti to be cooked just to perfection. You don't want it too soft. So to test if your spaghetti is ready, you can just grab a screen of spaghetti and then just break it like this. If it breaks without you fighting it, that means it's ready. You can get a sifter or a strainer and drain the water off of this. So I'll go ahead and empty my spaghetti in the strainer. The reason why I added a bowl under the strainer just so I can be able to set the strainer over something, because I cannot hold it while emptying this water because the water is hot. So just empty this. Careful. I'll empty the water from under here and I'll just let it sit here till I'm ready to add it to my pot. So once the shrimp is ready, You can go ahead and add your sauce into the pot. Now just mix it. Go ahead and lower your heat. Add a little more sauce. You don't want your Alfredo to be dry, alright? You want it to be saucy. So once you have your sauce in the pot, you can go ahead and add your spaghetti to the pot and just mix it in. So stir your sauce and your shrimp with the noodles. I basically use the entire jar of sauce. And once you have your spaghetti, your shrimp, and your sauce in the pot, once they all mix in together, you can turn off your stove. So I'll be turning off my stove. And this is it, guys. That's it. Now you all set and done with your shrimp Alfredo. So guys, this is my shrimp Alfredo. This is the final product. You can go ahead and have this shrimp Alfredo with grated parmesan cheese, or you can have it without the cheese. Okay, if you don't want to add cheese to it, you don't have to add the cheese, but if you like extra cheese, feel free and add your grated parmesan cheese on top of your Alfredo. Just sprinkle the cheese on top of it like this. So guys, this is it, your shrimp Alfredo. Quick, easy dinner or lunch for the kids and for adults. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like and share with your friends and family, and leave me a comment if you have any question or concern. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.